Ever been stuck in the dark and needed a flashlight fast? Your Android phone can help in seconds. In this 2026 guide, I'll show you the quickest way to enable the flashlight and adjust its brightness with ease. Method 1. Use the Quick Settings panel. Start by waking up your Android phone. You don't always need to unlock it. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen once to open the notification shade. Then swipe down a second time to fully expand the Quick Settings panel, where you'll see several useful shortcuts like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flashlight. Look for the flashlight or torch icon, which usually looks like a small handheld flashlight. Tap the icon once and your phone's rear LED flash will immediately turn on, giving you instant light. To switch it off, simply tap the same icon again. If your Android phone supports flashlight brightness control, you can make the light brighter or dimmer. To do this, press and hold the flashlight label or icon instead of tapping it. A brightness slider will appear on the screen. Drag the slider left for a softer light or right for maximum brightness. This feature is especially useful when you need just enough light without draining too much battery. If you don't see the flashlight icon, tap the Edit or Pencil button in the Quick Settings panel and add it from the available tiles. Thanks for watching. If you found this Android tutorial useful, leave a like, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and tricks.